2, 1, go.
Okay. A few days ago, I was on TikTok and I found this video of a colorblind person basically separating candy in different colors and trying to group it, which obviously it was very difficult, but I didn't think much of this until I logged into Instagram, and you guys have literally flooded my messages with requests to try to do the exact same thing. A lot of you guys also know that I am colorblind. I've made a lot of videos about this. What we're gonna be doing is we are going to sort out this candy into different colors, and I've got different groups, like different levels of difficulty. So I want to explain to you what my type of color blindness is and why this challenge was made specifically for me. I've got a friend with me who is a normal color vision person.
Color awareness?
Color awareness.
Color awareness.
Wow, you're so color woke. A lot of people who aren't colorblind, they wonder what it's like to be colorblind. And it doesn't mean that I see in black and white. It is possible to show a normal color vision person what it's actually like to be colorblind. So this is an image of a normal photo and also a photo of something that is basically a recreation of what it's like to see with my vision. So I know this might not make a lot of sense to other colorblind people because for me, I'm staring at the two same exact images. But for you guys, this is supposed to show what it's like to be colorblind. Because my colorblindness is for red and green, it doesn't mean that it only affects these two colors. It actually affects a lot of other colors. So in these 3 bags right here, I've got the different colors that are affected by my colorblindness, like color groups. I can't even try to be smart for like 3 seconds. Am I making a mess?
No.
I'm so used to being colorblind that I honestly think I've got good intuition, even though I can't see the colors. Most of the times I can guess, like sometimes I'm completely wrong. So I feel like I might actually succeed at these, but let's see what happens. I think I can see 4 different shades. 1, 2, I'm pretty confident there's 4 shades in here.
Find all of the teal.
Teal? Is teal a purple or a blue? This is gonna be me literally being stupid for 20 minutes straight. It's a blue.
It's a greenish blue.
I have no idea. I've never seen that color. I honestly... Can I just group them? So these are the lightest I can find. I think it might be light blue.
We'll see at the end.
Oh, I think this one's slightly darker. As soon as I put it next to each other, I see the difference. Do you know what I mean? It's like... Wait. These are all the lightest ones. Can I move on to the next one? Give me a different color.
A lilac or light purple.
A lilac or light purple. No. Can I just do any random one?
Any random one.
I think I can see these really well. I'm looking on camera because sometimes it's easier to see like in a different... It feels right. There's a weird shade in here. I think it's this one. This is like... I'm just getting so confused. You look disappointed.
No.
I want to do more of the light ones, but it's really hard to find them. So this one will fit into... No, okay, there's a new one. Because I put it next to each other.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's cheating, the fact that I can compare the colors, but I don't think it is. Like on camera, this looks right. The lightest one, the second lightest one, and then the darkest one, and the more intense one.
So you've got one of them completely right.
Yes! Can I say which one I think it is?
Which one? No. I'll tell you that there are actually...
Oh my god. Is it really
7
bad?
shades.
There's 7 shades.
There's 7 colors.
Oh my god. This is sky blue.
Yeah.
I got that right?
You got that right, yeah.
I even said sky blue. Maybe it's because this is something that I see all the time, so the intensity is easy for me. But I do think I see this one like everyone else. Like some colors, I'm pretty sure I perceive them as everyone else. I think that's one of them. Wow, so I got 1 out of... I don't even know. 1 out of 7.
Yay! Try and find the white M&Ms.
I can find the white. Pretty sure I got all whites in here. Nope, got the wrong one. An easy one.
Find a grey. So light grey.
Can I be honest with you? I don't see a grey. To me, this is different shades of pink, white, and I think I can see a light beige. Can I do the beige one next? Because I'm pretty confident about that one. Like beige is basically very light yellow, right?
Like a cream brown colour.
Alright, I didn't know that. I feel like it might be more yellow to me because if you brown, sometimes I think it's green as well. So, but I think I can find this one successfully.
Does that mean I look green?
When I try the glasses, they allow me to see color for the first time. If you guys want to watch that for the next video, because I could try that with indoor glasses and redoing this challenge. Give the video a like and I will do it. One of the things that shocked me when I put the glasses on was that people were like, when I took them off, they went like greenish. So I think I see people slightly green. Yeah. It's really weird, but I think that's just the way I see people. Oh my god, I'm getting confused as I do it. This is crazy, but I'm nervous about this. Like, how weird is that? It's such a huge insecurity. Like, my first grade teacher used to beat me up because I didn't know the difference between brown and green. Yeah.
That's mean.
I know. And then these really stand out to me, and I think they're pink because this could never be gray. I don't know how that makes sense. But these, one of them is pink and one of them is gray, if they're two different colors. Something's off about this one. I just know something's off about this one. Oh my god, I just realized what I've done. I'm trying to look at the camera, but it's all one color. So I think I'm finished with the pinks and grays. This was sneaky of you to choose these. I think there are 5 different shades to this. I think it starts with white, then we've got beige, then we've got gray and pink. Which one? No clue. I think that might be gray, because I think it's blending more with the thing, but this could also be really light gray. That is pink for sure. So, I'm not sure about these two, but...
Well, you got it right.
All of it?
All 5, what you just said, is right. The first one is white.
White.
The second one is beige. The third one is grey.
Yeah?
The fourth one is pink, but you've got some grey in there.
This
Grey?
is crazy.
Grey.
Grey.
No, pink.
No. Pink?
Pink.
What? How? And grey?
No, that's pink. That's pink.
I'm packing my stuff, we're done. I'm calling it a day. How did I do though? I feel like I didn't do as bad. Like this gives me a little bit of hope.
Better.
Yeah. But now we're going to move on to the extreme difficult challenge, right? Wow. It's weird because my brain knows there is red and green in here, but like it's really hard to tell which one is which. I'm gonna start with orange, yeah? And then there are some yellow mixed in which are really messing with my brain. That's orange. I'm starting with the lightest ones. I don't know why. I find that this is easier. This makes sense to me. Yellow. Yellow. And then orange. Okay, this makes sense to me. Do you know how brutal YouTube comments are, right?
Yeah.
Imagine the comments on this video. I guess I hate myself that much. And the reason why I think this is green, because it reminds me of the intensity of like Christmassy things that aren't red. Then I think this is red. Nope, this one's too dark. Okay. This makes sense to me. Okay, this one is this one. This one's this one, this one's this one. That was so weird, the one before. Oh, perfect. That's exactly where I wanted to go. Nope. Orange. 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 Wow, there's a lot of orange.
Is that your final
I think that's my final
prediction?
final prediction. I think there are 5 different shades in here. I think this one's orange. I think yellow. I think I might have mixed yellow and orange in this one. That's my guess, right? I'm very confident about this one. I think it's a lighter red than this one. But honestly, they're starting to like blend.
There are actually 8 different colours in this mix. In the first tile, you've actually got 3 colours there. Like a light green, and you've got like a dark yellow, like sort of gold colour. This is gold.
Wow, orange.
This is green.
Orange.
A light green, and this is orange.
Orange. Good news. I got the yellows
one,
right.
Yeah, the yellows are right. That's like
Fully?
a light yellow. Yeah, fully. All of them are light yellow.
Yay!
You've got like a grass type of green.
And red.
And a red.
Do you know what this is? This is the traffic light situation.
Light colours. So you've got 2 out of 8.
Wow. How did I get a driving license? I lied. That's how I got
You
it.
lied. Your final result.
Yeah.
Out of 20 different colours. So you've got 7 out of 20.
I've got a lot of colorblind people in my family, and I actually think I'm like all my male cousins and uncles, everyone's colorblind basically from my mom's side. And I always think that I'm the best one in color. Let's do one ultimate like challenge, one with a timer, right? Let's see how many colors I can separate into groups in 1 minute. So in 1 minute, I'm gonna try to separate 20 different colors. Obviously, I'm not gonna make them all because I can't see them all, but I'm hoping that now that I'm more aware that there are so many that I can do better than 7.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. These are the same. These seem the same to me. So 2 groups, right? Yellow. Oh my god, this is even more difficult with time. There's a lot of blue here. I'm kind of cheating on this one. This, I can see this one. Oh my god, the timer's about to go off. I've got 5. I want to... Done. Oh my, I've got that one already.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. No. No, 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 no.
10 seconds.
Wait. I'm trying to find orange, but I can't.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Got it?
Yeah.
I have made...
A mess.
I can tell already, this is wrong. White and pink or grey.
Yeah, it's last 3.
These are Christmas green. I feel like I got it right.
Yeah, you got 4 right this time.
How many did I get before?
7. But you didn't have a timer.
I'm going to
I'm not that mean.
eat my feelings.
Me.
That's all I can do now.
Yeah.
They're actually really good.
Yeah, I know, right?
At least we got chocolate. This is way too much. How long is it going to take us to eat this?
A week.
This is basically it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm obviously joking, and this is supposed to be like done with humor, but this is something that, like, you know, it's a huge part of my life. I think about this a lot. Sometimes I feel like I might miss out on a lot of things in life because I can't see like everything. Every single thing you look at is in color. Imagine removing that from your world. It's something that does make me upset, but I did have fun. You know, sometimes the things that challenges are like the things that you have to, like, I don't know, laugh at and take with humor. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is scroll down and there's a subscribe button, and if you tap that, you can also tap the notification bell. I mean, you don't have to, but I appreciate those of you who take the time to do it, because it means that whenever, if I make a part 2 of this video, for example, like if we try this with the color blind glasses, I will see you guys in my next video, which should be in 1 or 2 days. And thank you for helping me out. I'm gonna put Kat's Instagram in the description down below if you guys want to go check it out. Unless it's private?
No.
No? It's public?
I'm open to everyone. Actually, that sounds wrong.
I love you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.